How to double your savings with frugal living. Hey there, fellow savers and financial freedom seekers. Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money slip through your fingers? Do you dream of growing your savings without sacrificing the things you love? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of frugal living, sharing powerful tips and tricks to help you double your savings without compromising on your lifestyle. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey that will forever change the way you think about money, spending, and saving. Buckle up and let's unlock the secrets to financial success together. First up, we have frugal living food tips. Frugal foodies, here's your budget-friendly recipe for eating healthy. Simply add a sprinkle of innovation, a dollop of creativity, and a dash of forethought. Then just stir in a pinch of patience and voila! You've got a meal that's both cheap and delicious. Preparing your own food and even growing it can help you stretch your budget even further. Simple strategies like sharing dishes and taking advantage of happy hour promotions can also help you dine on a budget. Let's show you how to stretch your food budget. You should get your meals ready in advance. When making eating decisions at the last minute, people usually make more expensive, I'm hungry now splurges. Grow your own fruits, veggies, and herbs in pots. It takes you out of the house and brings you as close to the concept of farm to table as you possibly can. Choose beef cuts that are less expensive. Go online for meatless recipes or ways to use less meat to locate cost-effective substitutions and dishes that do not include meat. Buy store brands as well as those labeled with generic names. It is very simple to develop an unhealthy attachment to a specific brand, despite the fact that generic alternatives may be of the same quality but cost significantly less. Examine pricing in other units, such as the price per ounce and the price per pound. Then, you'll be able to determine whether savings are legitimate and steer clear of falling for misleading discount pricing strategies. Reduce the number of times you eat out. Reduce the number of meals delivered to customers' homes. Review your receipts from the restaurants and food delivery services you used throughout the previous month for inspiration. They can rapidly add up. It's possible to save meals for later by freezing them. It is easy to give the appearance that you are eating for nothing when you dip into the freezer for a stored cooked supper because doing so is convenient. Rather than purchasing water in bottles, consider making an investment in a water filter or filtered pitcher. Next up, we have frugal living shopping tips. Discounts, deals, and freebies should become your go-to allies in your quest for frugal living. These money-saving opportunities allow you to stretch your budget further and make the most of your hard-earned cash. When used strategically, they can help you save a significant amount of money on items you were already planning to purchase, a true cornerstone of frugal living. However, it is essential to exercise caution and use these offers wisely. Falling into the trap of using discounts as an excuse to splurge on items you don't genuinely need can quickly sabotage your savings goals. To stay on track, always evaluate your needs and priorities before taking advantage of any promotion. Ask yourself whether a particular deal aligns with your long-term financial objectives or if it's merely an enticing temptation that will derail your progress. By consistently applying this discerning mindset, you'll not only build a strong foundation for a frugal lifestyle, but also develop an unwavering focus on your ultimate financial goals. Remember, the key to success in frugal living is harnessing the power of discounts, deals, and freebies responsibly and using them as tools to maximize your savings, not as justifications for impulsive spending. So remember, if you find yourself in a store trying to decide whether to buy something on sale, just ask yourself, would I rather have this item or a full wallet? Here are some serious savings while shopping. Make a list and take extra precautions to avoid impulse purchases. Impulsive purchases can be costly and are frequently regretted later. Visit secondhand and consignment stores. It's often astonishing how much quality, including major brands, you can get for cents on the dollar. Search for garage and rummage sales in person and online. Get a free coupon app. The days of clipping paper for discounts are long gone. Your phone will now utilize your location to find offers near you. Stock up on non-perishable items while they're on sale, or get big discounts through a wholesale club. Consider a once-a-month no-spend weekend. Finding free entry festivals and events in your own neighborhood is half the fun. Remove the Amazon app and any other shopping apps that you frequently use from your phone. Avoiding browse and buy behaviors that you may develop in your spare time can encourage more mindful buying. Choose the ideal month to purchase your desired item. Product pricing can truly follow seasonal trends. Purchase items at the end of their season. After that, we have entertainment on a frugal living budget. Free and enjoyable activities abound. What about a date night? Attend a free concert or take a picnic at the park. What about a family outing? Take a bike ride together, volunteer together, or visit a museum that gives free entrance. Here are some quick entertainment-saving tips. Use free days at museums and national parks. Some state parks also provide free admission during certain times of the year. Organize a family game night. Some libraries lend out board games and video games, allowing you to try something new without having to buy it yourself. Visit your local library to borrow books, movies, periodicals, and DVDs. Credit card rewards can be used to get free flights, car rentals, and hotel stays. Next up, we have frugal living with DIY projects. When you need a product, you usually have two options: buy it or build it yourself. Although going to the store or using a shopping app is handy, doing it yourself is typically less expensive. Yet another form of investment is required: time. So here are some of our DIY saving tips. Crafting can also help your possessions survive longer. You can learn to mend anything from clothing to minor appliances using free online courses and community classes. Make your own cosmetics, such as deodorant, face masks, and dry shampoo. Several recipes using simple pantry components such as honey and raw sugar for a lip scrub or baking soda and corn flour for dry shampoo may be found online. Create your own household cleaning goods, including stain remover, window cleaner, and laundry detergent. However, use caution and common sense, such as never mixing bleach with other cleansers such as ammonia. To mend and modify your garment, take out a needle and thread. Last, we have home expenses on a frugal living budget. Consult YouTube before calling a handyman. There, you can learn how to do things like replace a broken faucet and redesign your bathroom. Being frugal at home can also imply reviewing your monthly bills for ways to save money on things like power, water, cable, and even your cell phone. And if all else fails, you can always just call your mom. She's always got the answer to any DIY question. The more money you save on such things, the more money you have to spend or save on what is important to you. Starting the last topic, frugal home tips, we have: ask your carrier for a better deal on your cell phone bill on a regular basis to save money. Then, before recommitting, shop the competition to ensure that your newly renegotiated deal is still the best option. Using a digital antenna, you may watch free television. Also consider cutting one or two streaming services. Protect your thermostat by layering up or dressing down. You must wash your own automobile. To save money on gas, use gas apps. Rather than replacing your cabinets, refinish them with new paint and hardware. The next time you relocate, make sure you buy less house that you can afford. So, what are you holding out for? If you enjoyed and found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and information. Remember to share this video with your friends and family so that they can discover the secrets of frugal living as well. Thank you for tuning in. For more useful tips right now, check out this video on how to stay motivated to continue frugal living.